How they drop home, closing the wings up, pitching for the trapboard like a rocket. It's a certain drug. Only a pigeon fancy will be able to actually explain how it's a feeling. As a youngster, when you're growing up, especially in the Cape Place, you see all those crimes, these gangsters, and all these things. It kept me grounded. It kept me at home, and it sort of actually made me what I am. Because remember, growing up where I grew up, it's just so quick that you can become a gangster or in the wrong crowd, and it kept me at home and it kept me out of trouble. And we encourage youngsters actually to start doing that, do some positive distractions, to do this hobby. It's a nice hobby. And like I say, most unions don't charge these youngsters. No union should charge a youngster to start the game because it's development. Want to get these youngsters in there. So this is the bird, clocked. His number is 14070. He won me a race already. If you win this one, it will be second one. His body is still nice and intact. His wing. This bird can actually do well in the distance from me as well. So from here on, I'm going to rest it a bit and prepare it for the distance. My proudest win was actually the year before last, 2024, where I won the biggest race in Africa, the Kroonstad board. And that was my biggest race. And then if you're a person off the road, if you want to acquire some good birds, go in the area where you stay. Go to the guy that belongs to a club that's doing very well, because every areas that people don't know about the sport, but in all over, Athlone, Bridgetown, wherever there's pigeon guys who have birds. So you go see a guy like that and then tell him, listen, I want to start a thing. He can go, there's a lot of people, birds online where you can purchase auctions and stuff. He can build up and set up his loft, obviously. The criteria is sunlight, ventilation, safe and for the birds environment. And then he can start breeding his pigeons. I obviously breed them here. So they're born here. And when they weaned, they start eating on their own. I bring them over to the main loft. And then in the main loft, I have a cage, which I'll show you later, that I put on the trapboard where the pigeonholes is. And I keep them in, close up the pigeonholes, keep them in without food. And evening, just before Maghrib, my kinders inwys. And then I call them in, I take the holes, the caps away, I call them in, I throw the corn, they hear the corn, they see the corn, and they all go in because they're hungry. So now I keep doing that for about a couple of weeks to a month. And eventually I will remove the cage around them and I'll just let them out on an empty stomach as well. That's the key, because the food, shaking the tin and hearing the corn, is their motivation into the loft. You start circling and training them around the loft, and then you'll take them away 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 kilometers away from your loft. And you actually move to the next distance if the bird's return is good. If the bird return is good, it's a bird normally fly about 80 kilometers an hour. How they drop home, closing the wings up, pitching for the trapboard like a rocket. It's a certain drug. Only a pigeon fancy will be able to actually explain how the feeling is. But there's no money that can actually amount to that feeling. I can have whatever crazy day, whatever I got my love, I just unwind.